Alright, so you guys may see that the Gunmetal Wind 2 was taken down. I didn't take video of it because I had to do some finding. I had to find the stud and everything after that, so I didn't feel like stopping and playing a video and having it jump cut. So there's my pancake box. As you can see, I have now installed an antique hook for my antiques. So that'll happen probably next thing you see in this video. The Wind 2 is back in its box. The blades are right there on top. So yeah, just a quick little intro. The fan of November is the black General Electric Antique. And you'll see that going up coming up next. Alright, YouTubers, so as you can see, the GE is up. It does come pretty close to the Emerson blender fan, but I think it's going to be okay. We're going to go ahead and test it now and see how it does. Over here. Alright, so variable speed low. This is low speed on this variable speed control, 3 amp. If I remember correctly, this thing's pretty well balanced, so I shouldn't be too worried about it. Well, that already feels nice. Go ahead and give it a little more power. Full power. A little bit of resonant. Sounds like it's resonating through that canopy. I might have to adjust it a little bit. But as you see, it does work pretty well. Quick little spin down. I'll see about getting that resonating fixed, and then we'll go from there. So. And this is the fan of November 2017, Antique GE in black.